Alrighty, we're starting here with this glass cylinder vase, and what I'm going to do is just use my hot glue gun here, and I'm just going to glue some strips onto the glass directly, and I'm sort of fiddling around with the glue stick here, but eventually I do get that to work, and I'm just going to continue to put in some sort of strips of glue using our glue gun, and I'm sort of being a bit messy purposely. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of my white sparkles right on top of the glue there. And I'm going to continue that. And I use this glass here to sort of hold my vase because I was finding I needed both of my hands to help to get these strips of glue onto my vase, and that ended up working out quite nicely. And so I continued to just glue these stripes onto the vase, and I'm only doing a section of the vase. I could very easily have done the whole vase, but I thought it might be pretty and kind of unique if I just did a section. And I sort of continue to put my sparkles onto the vase. And I continue on with our glue. And I'm going to use that sparkle that has sort of fallen on our little placemat there. And that's what it looks like so far. And then I decided when I looked at it that I wanted to put a nice long strip of glue down the middle. I felt like the middle needed a little more oomph, so I did that. And I'm going to put on more sparkle. And I get it really nicely covered. And then, of course, we have to do our cleanup. So I'm just putting the sparkles back inside their little container, and I will use that again for something. And watch to see how I use this black cardstock. I'm going to measure out the size of the inside of the cylinder and cut that out. And the beauty of this, I'm not going to permanently attach this black paper inside the vase, so I can change it out for any season and any reason just by changing out the paper. So once I've cut that out, I place it inside, and it looks fairly dramatic, I think, the black and white contrasting. And this is what it looks like on display. So I have there the black and white vase I just made with the sparkles, and I displayed it nicely with a black and silver poinsettia for winter, and then our white sparkly heart for Valentine's. And it's just sort of sitting there looking nice on the coffee table. I think it looks dramatic and quite pretty. Now, you may notice those red Christmas ornaments there hanging on my window over the curtain. Please watch out for a future video to see how I change those out for Valentine's. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know. And thank you to all the lovely ladies, Yanni, Diane, and Kiki, for this wonderful opportunity. Take care.